What's up guys, today on this video I'm going to show you how to change your Xbox Series X analog sticks, and we are swapping these stock rubber analog sticks with these red metal ones, as you can see. So a little bit of customization here. We're going to open this up, and I'm also going to basically show you how to fix an analog stick if yours is stuck like this, or if yours is too loose and spins around. This video will help you as well, because I actually broke one of these and this was super loose and kept getting stuck, and I managed to fix this one, but because of this I also want to change to the metal one. So we're going to open this up and replace the analog sticks. So what you need is a T8 screwdriver, Pry Tool, preferably plastic. I've got a couple of these because we need to get to these grips here. So what we need to do is just pop these two grips at the back here. You can see it outline where this pops out. Obviously make sure you don't have any batteries in the battery compartment. Get your pry tool, preferably a plastic one, because you don't want to damage the sort of line in here where the plastic is. I'm using a metal one because I don't have a really flat plastic pry tool. I can use this as a support. Basically there are clips that goes like around here and on the other side. You need to get to those clips and pop this open, which is probably the most difficult part. So there's one side out, same thing on the other side. Best method is to get to one corner, just pop it open. Okay, that side was a lot easier. So once the grips are out, you can see where the screws are. So there's 1, 2 at the bottom, again on the same side, and then there's one in the middle where the warranty sticker is. Okay, next step is to try not to ruin this warranty sticker. So preferably you want to heat this up with a hairdryer or a heat gun slightly, and then this softens up the adhesive, so you're not going to rip the warranty sticker once you try and take it off. But I've already kind of went through this, managing not to tear the warranty sticker, but as you can see, you can still see that it's not perfect, and I've obviously opened this up. So gently remove this sticker. I didn't fully take this sticker off because it also has your serial number, which is important. So basically I just peeled it to where I could see the screw, and then just take the screw out and then stick it back on. Just like so. Once all 5 screws are off, we can actually take the face plate off, and this exposes the front panel of the Xbox controller. Probably buy different face plates for this actually. Now all we need to do is take these analogs off, which just slide out, pretty simple. Alright, so as you can see, this analog here was the one that broke. You can see where I've kind of made some repairs here with the super glue. So one of the bits was snapped off. It's causing the analog to just stick to one side. It will be super loose. So if you do have that problem, basically you just need to fix where it's broken here and super glue it around, so it makes this point sort of stronger, so then it won't sort of go all over the place once you place it back and the analog stick. So that is one way of fixing it, but obviously you can just buy replacements. It's a quick and easy fix. Like I said, if your analog stick is sticking to one side or loose. So I'm just going to put the final chromed out analog on here. They're slightly a bit too small here, but they do fit. You just have to press it in a bit. Oops. Hopefully that don't break anything. But the analog sticks are in. This one here is super tight. Like, I don't know if I put it in too much. It's almost like it's stuck in there now. Bit worrying, but that's what it looks like anyway. It looks a lot better than the rubber ones. Do they perform as well? I don't know. Feels a little bit slippery, but we'll see. Right, let's I think that's fine. Put the faceplate back on. So I'm just going to quickly put everything back together and then kind of test it out. And a little advice here, so when you put these screws back in, make sure you these screws are tight, because if they're a little bit loose you can hear, oops, you can hear like the grips at the end kind of squeak where the plastic's not meeting the other end. So you want to make sure these screws are fully secure. Alright, so I put it back together and this is what it looks like. I do like the metal finish to these analog sticks. It does look a lot better than the stock ones. The only problem I have is they feel a little bit too slippery compared to the rubber ones. But looks wise, it looks so much more sleeker. And the red actually goes well with the black here. So yeah, if you do decide to change to a metal one, just beware that this might be a little bit slippery, and you can always get like those rubber silicone caps for these, but for the looks it makes the controller look a lot more premium than it did before. So yeah, there you go guys, that is my quick tip for how to fix and change the Xbox Series X analog sticks.